Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this smoky eye using all products from Klara Cosmetics. So if you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. So I'm first starting off with the Paris eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking this shade here first as my transition shade in the crease. Then going in with this darker brown shade, and I'm using that to deepen up the crease, and I'm also going to take that shade onto the outer corner just to give the eye some definition. After that, taking this bronze shimmer shade in the palette and applying that across the eyelid. And then taking the darker shade to blend that into the outer corner. This palette's perfect for everyday wear and beginners as it's got nice natural colours in it and nothing too dramatic. The shadows are also really easy to blend and are also buildable as well. Next, using the Line and Define liquid eyeliner, and I'm using that to create a wing. All of the products that I'm using in today's video can be found to buy over at klaracosmetics.com, and you can also use the code Natalie15 at checkout, and this will let you receive 15% off of your full purchase online. Then applying the La lashes. These are super long and one of my favourite styles to wear. Next, going on to finishing the bottom lash line, and I'm first taking this shade here and focusing that as close to the lash line as possible. After that, taking the highlighter shade in the palette and applying that to the brow bone and inner corner, and you can also use this shade on the cheekbones as well. To finish the whole look off, I'm applying the Liquid Matte Kiss Proof lipstick in the shade 23, and this is a super long wearing lipstick and it's non-drying on the lips. So you guys, that is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please let me know in the comments below what kind of videos you'd like to see from me, and also give the video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.